Good evening, sir. So this is my homework activity for this week, sir. It was to interface the DHT11 with the LCD. So, sir, I have connected all the pins of the LCD to the Arduino and also the DHT11, and I have connected the potentiometer. So, sir, the concept here is that whenever the DHT sensor gets some value, it will be displaying it to the LCD. And, sir, the DHT11 can detect two things, that is humidity and temperature. So, sir, there is DHT11 and DHT22. So, sir, right now I'm using the DHT11 sensor, and sir, the DHT11 can detect both humidity and temperature. Also, the DHT12 can detect temperature, and it is a bit more accurate than DHT11. So, sir, I'll show you the output. So, sir, here you can see that the temperature is 27 degrees Celsius and the humidity is 57%. So, sir, I hope you check it. Thank you.